All right, hello ladies. So in this video, we are going to be recapping rate of change. So what is rate of change? It is exactly what it sounds like. It's the rate in which something is changing by. So imagine for a moment I have a pool, and my pool initially has 6 inches of water in it. And then I check the pool 6 hours later, and I notice that it has 27 inches of water. And I'm wondering, what is the rate in which it's changed by? Okay, so initially it has 6 inches. Now it has 27 inches. So it's increased, there's an increase of 21 inches of water. I almost wrote dollars. 21 inches of water over a period of 6 hours. So what I can do is I can extract these values, 21 over 6, and this value represents what we call our slope. A slope is just a rate of change without units, and it allows us to put it into fractional format so we can simplify our results. Notice how both of these divide evenly by 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So what this is telling me is that my pool has increased by 7 inches in 2 hours. So it has increased by 7 inches in 2 hours. That's my rate of change. My rate of change has units, and it talks about the increase or decrease compared to time. You can also look at it in terms of a unit rate. If I wanted to, a unit rate would also be a rate of change. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So it grew by 3.5 inches in an hour. All right. Rate of change can also be decreasing. I want you to take a look at this graph. Okay. So this graph is showing me the money I have left when I'm spending money every week. And I want to know what is the rate of change. So what I can do is I can find the change in these secondary values and compare them to these first values. So rate of change is always the change in your y values. It's the change in our y values compared to our change in our x values. So in this case, my money has decreased by $30. And because we're talking about a decreasing situation, I'm going to put a negative 30, and I could write dollars. And then when has that happened? Over a period of 2 weeks, because the x values have changed by 2. So negative $30 in 2 weeks. Therefore, my rate of change is down $30 every 2 weeks. I can also write this as a unit rate. It's gone down by $15 every week. And I could use this information to be able to write a scenario for the situation. I could also use the initial value and write an equation if I wanted to. So there's all different ways that we can use rate of change in our problem sets. So I hope that helps, and stay tuned for the next video.